And the fresh air, right in this area here.
Okay,
So,
I just didn't want to tap into the
no,
main.
I wasn't going. That is what I said. Only the hallway because that's a hallway also. So it's only the hallway ducts I'm going to interfere with.
That's fine. Yeah.
Right. Hallway to hallway. I'm not going into
What's going here?
into the apartment areas.
All right, now, I was discussing with Lester about the fans.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll have a bypass.
Okay.
We have a booster fan right here.
Where's the other one going?
The other one is on the exhaust side.
Okay.
The reason why we have it here, Mike, is if this sucker is not working, we'll be able to shut it off here and have a bypass.
And the fan's still running. And same thing with the exhaust line. Shut it off and the exhaust comes here from the rest of the ERV into the main exhaust and out the building.
Okay.
I have the pit, I have everything still.
No, you have the drawer.
Yeah, you
So
write up
I said
everything for
work
me.
off the
Yeah.
drawer.
You wrote up everything
That's
for
fine.
me. I have my paperwork still what you wrote up
You
for
gotta
me.
check and see if there's any more water down
I know,
down there.
Yeah.
Did we get the rest of the parts for the exhaust fan that you put in the elevator shaft?
Well, all I'm waiting on that is a volume control smoke damper.
Okay. So have the exhaust hooked up with the hole? the
Yeah,
other
yes,
additional
everything.
hole?
Everything is hooked up. I just didn't lock it and seal it because I had to pull back all the pins, insert the fire damper in it, and then I lock and seal.
All right, well, they
But
gotta be
everything else
close
is
enough to wall, so-
runnable. It's working. Everything.
Did you hear anything about the exhaust fan for the Aquatron downstairs?
Did you send a note back to the shop?
Did you approve that?
I approved what we discussed, which was to tap into the main exhaust.
But did you
And
send
you
it
have
back to the
find it.
office?
Did they send you a submittal?
No, of course not. No.
They didn't send you a submittal?
On that particular inline fan for 4-inch,
Yes.
no, that I did not get.
All right, so we have to finalize that so
Yeah,
we can
that's
get this thing up and running. All right, we have to finalize the exhaust fan upstairs in the stairwell for the stairwell exhaust, the building
Stairwell.
exhaust,
Pressurization.
pressurization.
Put it back to the left and then use it to. You see, I put the box up top there. So the box is blowing out, and the return is gonna pull it back.
Looks good. You're good with the framing, the way they did it?
Well, untraditional, but okay.
Well, they gave you maximum head height there off the stairs. If they pulled that straight back, you'd be hitting your head now.
Yeah, that's where the railing would be. Right. Like this one.
Good.
And you went above the...
Yeah, I went above the unit. I
Yeah, we
had,
could do it over there. or-
yeah, I had a couple inches. They had enough, more than enough room for me to do it in the back area.
Cool.
And I have the pressure, so it's not like I'm gonna lose out on anything.
I think we're good here. And they're just gonna box that in as far down as they have to.
Because
Ceiling
when the
around.
plumber guy was doing it, I asked him, I said, turn the elbow up. If he turned the elbow up, I'll keep my pipe on the beam itself.
That's fine. We still would have to just enclose it, you know, where you have
Yeah.
the outer edge of the duct
Yeah.
upstairs. So we'll just continue to
Okay.
start with it, we'll bring there, that's fine.
All right, we don't have to put any insulation around that piece in between.
No.
We don't have to insulate that duct up there?
That's all that thing off of the dock is insulation, fiber
Insulation
glass.
on the inside?
Yeah, it's good.
That's framing in between, they're going through the slab.
So this thing could be then shifted to this side, well, to that side.
I don't know.
We gotta get those boxes, they should have been disordered. So, Lawrence,
We have to figure all of this out too, because this is no good. This is gonna have to be moved somewhere.
well, we were talking about it for how long?
Yeah, I know. Can we screw it to the bottom of this?
No,
No.
can't go to the border line.
All right.
But he could take it and put it on the,
It's gonna be too low.
too low.
Can we screw it to the front of this?
But from what I tell Lawrence, the best thing to do was put it inside the return box.
Put it inside?
Yeah, mount it right inside the return box on the side here. Pop it through here and mount it on the box inside.
That's what we're gonna have to do.
That's the best place to put it.
All right.
So when you open the grill, you actually see this dead in your face, so you switch it off.
The drop arch?
Already have it out and have it for
All right. How do you wanna end that soffit? beam up to the ceiling.
But not past this beam.
Hmm?
Do not
You could
go-
stop it right there at the other side of the beam.
That's it.
Alright.
I don't want to go. Well, this beam is going to be left exposed. The bottom of it. That's what it looks like to me. The bottom of the flange is going to be
Mhm.
exposed.
Alright, we have to drill a hole here, right? In this beam?
Oh,
A
you
sprinkler
still
coming
mark.
up there?
Mhm.
Alright, this is the fourth floor. Who's gonna do that? I gotta go rent the drill to drill one hole. Kitchen upstairs, where we put that break upstairs, I think Noel and Milton did it. We're gonna have to
Right,
take that
yeah.
down and let the ceiling run straight through and just end the soffit. Well, what's like what we're doing over here, where are we ending the soffit?
Well, we're coming up to the end of the flange
Right.
and then returning to
So
the
we gotta
bottom.
return straight up.
Wait, oh, on the inside here or outside?
Outside.
On the outside.
Because
Well,
this,
no, you wanna return to the end of the flange, right here.
the sheetwork comes up, well, you will cover this. You will have to cover the bottom of the flange.
What, the ceiling?
The
Right.
ceiling, yeah. So you will just.
It's gonna stop at the
Stop
edge of the
this way.
flange, but you got a box on that side.
Mhm.
Oh, okay.
It has to be boxed out. So this is the framing that we have to get done. All of this here. This has to also return straight up to the beam, right at the edge of the flange, right into that beam.
Mhm.
And this one too. This has to be returned up,
Oh, okay.
all right?
Flush with that right there.
So what are you guys doing now? Windows still?
When we finish that dock, we go on the other side of the
Right, I saw that. It came out nice. We're gonna do something, it's almost the same thing on the other side. Okay, that's good. All right. Well, Patty wants all this finished by tomorrow. Are you guys gonna be done by tomorrow?
Well, we only can do what
Can only do what you can do.
do what we can do. That's it.
All right. I'll talk to the other two guys.
Yeah, but I didn't know that this was bad.
It has a little